How to edit PDF online, 100% free.
This simple life-saving hack can be very useful in emergency. To make changes in PDF file, come to this website and upload your document, and you can make any changes easily. Here no one will even know that something has been edited. You can even download your document for free, so share this video with all your friends.
How to use Canva app for free.
If you use Canva to design your graphics, then you must have noticed that everything is paid on Canva. But don't worry, you have followed
AI Ninja.
But don't forget to scroll, so save it first. So Canva's free and best replacement is studio.polotno.com. In this, you can do all the Canva work for free. At the same time, you can also generate graphics from AI. This website is really mind-blowing. So, like this video and share it with your friends who are into graphic designing.
Video editing takes a lot of time, but what if I tell you that in just a minute, your entire video will be edited by AI? From cutting to zooming, captions, everything. You have to come to this website, log in and click on Create New Project. Upload your video. Here is my video. Click on Next, put the name of your project, put the language in which the video is. Now it will put smooth cuts in your video, remove silence, put background music, add noise cancellation, even add captions. So enable whatever option you want, click on Create Project, and our video is getting edited. Our video is edited. Let's see. My video is edited by AI in this way. And as you saw, it edited the whole video with captions, added music in the background. If you like this video, then do like it. For more such videos, follow me and don't forget to subscribe to my marketing channel.
This is how some creators are posting 10 short videos per day. Yes, 10 short videos per day. Go over to clickinshort.com. This works best when you're already making YouTube content, or you can start helping clients with their content.
All you have to do is go over to YouTube, copy and paste the link, go back to Clicking Short, name the project, choose how many videos you want and how long you want the videos. And you can add captions and add your logo. And it'll generate you short videos that you can go ahead and blast across the web. A more in-depth video is coming to the AI Inner Circle. The link is in my bio. So
Follow AI Ninja.
If you want to make such AI-generated video. So in this video, I will tell you how to make it. Before that, you have to like this video. Open Kaiber.ai, log in your email. Then click on Upload. Upload your photo. Then click on Continue. Then click on Select a Subject. Select a Style. Click on Select a Subject. Select any option. You can type your own. Then select any option. You can select any option. Like here, click on Continue. You can keep any number of seconds. Here I will keep 7. And here I will generate. So now our video is ready. Like this video and subscribe to channel.
When all these two AI tools will do everything, then what will video editors do? Don't save this reel because these AI tools will take content creation to the next level. No, autobot. This tool has a multi-camera editor feature which will edit the biggest podcasts in just a minute. Podcast videos have a minimum of 2 speakers, and that's why it uses multi-camera angles. While editing, it takes 3-4 hours to manually arrange and cut those camera angles, but Autobot will automatically arrange and cut those camera angles. No. 2. Adobe Firefly. This tool will do everything. It will do color grading in your videos. It will add music to the video. It will not only generate 2D, but also 3D subtitles. It will add B-roll clips of your videos at the right time. If you don't have a video, then add a script and it will make a video for you. It will also do animation. So share this video and to stay updated with...
While scrolling the internet, I came to know about these 3 AI websites which are more powerful than ChatGPT. Number 1 is Runway.ml.com. With a photo, it removes all the objects from the website, but this AI website even removes objects or any person from the video. Just like a magic. 2 is RoomGPT.io. This website redesigns your room for free. Just click on the photo of your room and upload it here, and instantly you will get your room redesigned. Number 3 is Replicate.com. This website converts any blurred or low-resolution photo to high quality. That too instantly.
Follow our page for more.